From Manila Bulletin, Elson Kismorio, you are recognized for your questions.
Hello, Kongs. Good morning po. This is for our roadshow manager. Regarding po yung we made the call to the Senate po, no, to we reached out to them para to hold dialogues during Holy Week. Has there been any feedback, sir? And kung wala pa, how would you reiterate such call? Kasi ba mamaya, they think it's not urgent.
Well, the Senate President issued a statement when he was in the Czech Republic with the President. At sinabi niya doon, on track yung Senate when it comes to constitutional amendments. So pag sinabi mong on track, ang understanding ko noon, nasa proseso sila at nasa daan ng pag-approve nito and on schedule. So, kaya nga po, ang mahalaga para sa atin is ito pong panahon na break ang Senate and break ang Congress, mas maraming pagkakataon na makapag-usap. Dahil itong mga nakalipas na linggo, masyadong abala sa trabaho, masyadong abala sa legislative work, masyadong abala sa mga bills na kailangan maipasa, siguro hindi po nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-usap yung both chambers, in a more friendly atmosphere where we can actually find a common ground and an agreement moving forward. So I'm still very hopeful sa mga kaibigan po natin sa Senate na mabigyan ng pagkakataon tong Holy Week break na makapag-usap. And I'm sure ito din po yung ninanais ng mga kaibigan po natin mga senador pagdating po sa bahagi ng mga kinatawan dito po sa Kongreso na makausap din po kami kung ano po ang gagawin natin because we all want to achieve a common goal. I think what's hindering us from achieving that is the processes and certain impediments that can only be achieved, that can only be addressed kung makakapag-usap yung dalawa. So I'm still very hopeful pagdating po dun sa members in the Senate. And we just had our LEDAC yesterday. At very warm naman yung mga senators, di ba? Wala naman pong problema. So mukhang maganda po talagang outlook, ang positivity pagdating sa pag-uusap ng dalawang chamber.
Was it brought up during the LEDAC po, yung Holy Week dialogue?
It was not taken up during the LEDAC. We were focused...
Kahit sa sidelines po? No.
Huh?
Kahit po sa sidelines?
No, it was not. We were focused more on what was on the agenda, which were the legislative priority measures of the President, where we are, what needs to be approved, and what is pending. And what's happy to note, pagdating doon sa what needs to be approved, what is pending, dito po sa Congress, under the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez, 100% ang submission rate namin. In fact, yung ibang hinihingi ng NEDA, naipasa na po ng mababang ng Kongreso. So hindi lang po kami mabilis magtrabaho, advance pa yung trabaho namin. So this goes to show yung tireless effort na pinakikita ng mga congressmen pagdating sa paggagampan nila ng trabaho bilang mga mambabatas.
Just one more question po. Comelec Chairman Garcia